Okay, so now we understand a little bit more about how to use advanced custom fields by changing the featured text area. We're going to continue with the front page, and I'm going to show you how to do it for the latest offers section. So go back into the dashboard and then the custom fields tab, and then click on the front page. And because we're going to be creating the free special offer sections, which are going to be pretty similar, I'm going to add a tab to section these off. So add a new field, and the label for this can be offer 1, and the field type is going to be a tab, and then add that. And then a second tab for the offer 2, and change the text field to be a tab. And the same for the offer number 3. And again, change that to be a tab. And then close that. So now let's get started with the offer 1. So this time we'll add a field, and this field will be the offer price. And we'll just use the generated field name. And because this is a price, we need to change it from text to be number. Required yes. And then we'll just close that field there. So now we've got the offer price. This is going to be for the first offer. So we can just drag and put this under the offer 1 tab. So then we'll create now the offer name. This can be okay as text, required yes, and then close that. And then put this offer name just underneath the offer price. And then because each one of these special offers has 2 lines of text, we'll do 2 separate fields. So offer line 1, we'll put that as required 2. And then also add offer line 2. It's okay, it's text and required yes. And we can close that field and also close that one. And then drag these up in the first tab. Now, because we're going to use the same fields for the offer 2 and offer 3, if we just go into the offer 1 fields, we can just click on duplicate. And we can keep the offer price text as the same, but we need to change the field name, and we'll change this to offer price 2. And then close that. So the one that we just created, which is the offer price 2, then drag this down underneath the offer 2 tab, which is just there. So underneath the offer price, we'll duplicate the offer name. And just remove the copy and change this to offer name 2 for the unique field name. And then close this. And offer name 2, drag this down to the offer 2 tab underneath the price. So then we need to duplicate the offer line 1 and offer line 2. So duplicate that one. So offer line 1, keep it at that. So this time I'm going to change the unique name to offer 2 line 1. And then close that. So offer 2 line 1, drag this down into the second section again, just below the name. And we can duplicate this. This time it's offer line 2. So this time it's offer 2 line 2. And close that. So I hope that makes sense so far. So we've got the tab for offer line 1. And the first offer has a price, a name, and then the 2 lines. And then a second tab for the offer 2. And again, we've got the price, name, and the 2 lines, making sure that each one has a unique field name. And now we just need to do it a third time for the offer 3. So duplicate the price, keep the name the same, but offer price number 3. And then add that field. Close that field. And drag the offer price 3 down to the offer 3. So after offer price, we need offer name again. So duplicate offer name 3. Then close that. And drag offer name 3 down below the price. And then we're nearly finished now. We just need to copy the line 1 and line 2. So offer line 1. And then the field name is offer 3. Line 1. And then close. And drag that into its right place. And duplicate line 2. This time the unique name is offer 3 line 2. Then drag that down to the very bottom. So now we've done that, hit the update button. And I'll show you why we've put it in tabs now. So if you go over to the home page and then select edit page. So now we've got the offer 1, offer 2 and offer 3 in individual tabs. Whereas if we didn't put the tabs in, we'll just have a long list of fields and it may get confusing for the user. So then if we go into the front page, .php, and then we can add the PHP to link to the custom fields. So go down to the latest offer section, and I'm just going to get rid of this sidebar to give us some more room. So first of all, if we delete the price of the first offer, and then open up the PHP, and then we use the same as the last video, the underscore field, and then in brackets, type in the field name. So the first one, if we go back into the dashboard and the custom fields, the offer price had the field name of offer underscore price. So we'll link that in there. And then copy this. And then paste this in place of the level 3 heading. And this is called the offer name. So change offer price to offer name. The family pool, paste the PHP in, and that is the offer line 1. So offer underscore line underscore 1. And great day out is changed to offer line 2. So that's it for the first field. So if we save that and then go over to the home page and scroll down. So you should now see that we've got an empty latest offer section because we've not put in the text in place on the edit page. So offer 1, because these are all blank, we've got nothing showing up, but we'll fix that soon. So keep going down to the second offer. And this is offer price underscore 2. Then offer name 2. The first line of text, we need to change that to offer 2 line 1. Then offer 2 line 2. Then down to the third one. So lastly, the price. So offer price 3. And then underneath it's offer name number 3. So offer name 3. And then the text. So it's offer 3 line 1. And then lastly, it's offer 3 line 2. So save that, and now our homepage should be blank. or at least the offer should be blank anyway. So all that's left now is to put the content back in the edit page section. So if you want to go off and do that yourself, feel free to do that. If not, follow along with me. So first of all, the offer price was $60. The offer name was Family Offer. Line 1 was Family Pool. And then Great Day Out. Then go to offer 2. So this was $120. The offer name was For the Bride. Offer line 1 was Hair and Makeup. Line 2 was the Full Pamper Package. And then onto offer number 3. The price was $90, and this was for the weekend pass. Line 1 was Modern Facilities. Then line 2 was Perfect Gift. And then update that. And go to the home page. And let's take a look at that. So we're just missing one of the fields there. So let's see what the problem is. So offer free line 2, that looks okay. So let's go into the dashboard, into custom fields. And let's take a look at that and see what the problem is. I think we've got we've got 2 underscores there. So let's just update that. And head back to the front page, refresh. So still nothing there, we may need to add it back in now we've changed the field name. So offer number 3, yeah, we just need to add the Perfect Gift into there. And then update that. Okay, so there we go. So that's all working now. I just want to add a white horizontal rule just to separate the 2 lines there. So just add this between the offer line 1 and offer line 2. So offer line 1, just after the close and P tag, add a HR in there. Then copy. Then the same after offer line 2. Do the same in the second offer. After line 1 and 2, and the same in the third offer too. Save, and then refresh the browser. So there you go, so that's how you use advanced custom fields in WordPress themes. Feel free to carry on and add as many fields as you want to the website, but I'm going to leave that there for now. So thanks for listening, and we'll see you in the next video.